Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you some code that I've been working on. It's the save load functionality, which I've had in games before, but it's always been set up really janky and could break really easily. But now we're doing it in a more official way with buffers and save files and stuff like that. So I was able to do this, which is a way to check the times. Like if you're speed running a level, you can try to beat your times, and it also tracks if a gem has been collected in a level or not. It's kind of like the strawberries in the game Celeste, but it's just a little extra thing to collect. And then in my save function, or my save object here, I've got all of the saves here, and so you'd save like the number of the level itself, at what level you are on, as an unsigned 8-bit integer. So it just saves right there in that file, and then you would save either the time or the gem as an array and stringify that and put it in as a string into the buffer and then put it into the save file. And the load works opposite of that. You just read it from there and put it into whatever value or whatever field you want to put it into, and variable, I should say. And on this one, it basically parses JSON data that's been stringified, as that says there, and then basically parses it into each index. I couldn't get it to work just loading the whole thing in for some reason, so I just did it this way. It probably would work now after some bug fixing on some other stuff, but that's just how I have it loaded. And I can check each individual one as they're loading in this way, and make sure it's actually all correct. I just went through a huge debug process to get all of these correct. These times here, and that's in seconds there, and also the gems being set to true if the gem has been collected in that level. And this would be level 1, and that's level 2 there. And so that was pretty cool. And then here's the gem itself, and it's got some emitters. I put a burst emitter on here, and these are all of the different attributes of that emitter there, to kind of do an explosion effect, if you will. So, oh wow. Oh, it exploded because I've already collected it. So in reality, they're not going to be there in screen, so they're going to explode off screen. But let's check this one, for instance. So the gem is up there to the left of the flag. I'm quite in the middle of this screen here, but it's fine. So we just gotta jump over this flag, come over here. You can see the gem shining, and it explodes. And then when I complete the level, we'll actually be able to see, if I run it in debug mode, that the times are all still there. And if I do it again, we'll be able to see, yep, there's the gems. Level 3, level 2, and level 1 all have their gems in a save file, and they were loaded in correctly. In space correctly. So they were put in, it was done right. But yeah, so that's some other things I've been working on. A bunch of stuff to come on the development of this game. I think I might have to move the release date out to the end of March for how much I want to do with this. The story and other things are getting more complicated, but stay tuned for that. All right, see ya.